And welcome back. Elaine Thompson-Herah became only the second Jamaican to win the Laureus World Sports Award after being announced as the winner of the prestigious accolade on Sunday. Thompson-Herah joins countryman Usain Bolt, who won the award 4 times. Elaine Thompson-Herah's 2021 season could challenge any sportsperson's best season, as she became the first female to win back-to-back sprint double Olympic titles after bettering her rivals in Tokyo. She capped it off with gold in the 4x100 meters to take her Olympic gold medal winning tally to 5. Thompson-Herah beat swimmers Emma McKeon and Katie Ledecky, as well as footballer Alexia Putellas, tennis player Ashley Barty, and fellow track athlete Alison Felix to win the award.
I want to thank the Laureus Sports Academy for this beautiful award, and I want to thank also the nominees from all different sports with all their fantastic talent. Reflecting on last year based on my achievement on the track, I am the second woman to do what I have done at the Olympics, to be the fastest woman alive. It's really an honor and a privilege. It is an honor to walk away with this trophy. And I just want to thank all my management team, my friends, my families, and also my fans across the world. Thank you.
It is yet another accolade to the growing list for Thompson-Herah, whose performances also earned her the Female Athlete of the Year honor at the World Athletics Awards 2021 and the R.J. Arglina Sports Foundation National Sportswoman of the Year Award for 2021. Thompson-Herah also received the International Sports Press Association Award for Best Female Athlete of the Year. Reigning Formula One champion Max Verstappen copped the men's award ahead of swimmer Caleb Dressel, marathon runner Eliud Kipchoge, tennis player Novak Djokovic, footballer Robert Lewandowski, and American footballer Tom Brady. European football champions Italy won the team award, while British tennis player Emma Raducanu was named Breakthrough Athlete of the Year.